I had few jackets in Nike, Adidas and other brands, and I've already reviewed a few, and I just unboxed this. It's a sweatshirt, cropped top hood from Adidas Originals in size medium, and I'm going to lay down for you a short review of it. First off, with the material on the top that they have used, it's 100% cotton and it's pretty warm, and they have this care label that tells us more about how to wash it and how to soak it and the quantity of detergents and quality. So we actually have to mind all of this care information that is provided by the brand, because if we don't, we might have a bad experience with something which is costly and which is expensive and needs a lot of professional care. The overall design of the sweatshirt it's pure white. You can see there are no more colors, but you just have this black stripes going down, starting from the next section to down towards the sleeves. You can see rib sleeves, very well finished, very durable, and they feel premium. Material on the top is very good, very comfortable. It's not very heavily padded with warm foam or something. Normally those extreme winter wear have this. This doesn't have that, but still it feels very warm. This material they call the cotton French terry fabric, and it's totally made up of that. The hood itself looks very good. It's they have this lining of cloth inside it to have a comfortable feel on your head. Very smooth, very silky. It's not that silky, but still it feels the most of the silkiest a cotton has. That feel is there. The bottom hems are ribbed, very well finished, very well knitted. Overall, a very good design, very simple. I would say it's not something very colorful, you can see, but the design is simple and beautiful in basic white as the base color, with the black stripes and the black Adidas Originals logo.